What up guys, Andres here with Steps for Improvement, coming to you from Rome, Italy. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you my 5 best tips on how you can take great photos with your iPhone or your smartphone. Photos that are Instagram worthy, that are Tinder worthy. Photos that will leave people dropping a like on your photo, and photos that will leave people thinking, damn, this person, he or she can take some amazing photos. If that sounds good, stick around for tip number 1. Alright, so I'm hitting the streets of Rome. I'm actually running to go get some sunscreen because I forgot to buy sunscreen for this trip. But anyways, tip number 1 is to get set. And what I mean by this is to make sure that you're all set for the photo. So make sure that, you know, your hair is looking right, your clothes are on point, and your shoes on point. Now this is a very important detail for taking great photos, you know, making sure that you're looking right and you're looking all confident, you're looking ready. My best tips for getting set is to make sure that, you know, you wear clothes that fit you well, clothes that really accentuate your body, and to make sure that your hair is on point. Speaking about getting set, today I'm wearing this striped t-shirt that I feel really accentuates my body, and you know, that really fits me well. But there's one thing I need to get ready, need to get set, and that is to switch up to some better looking shorts, because these are just some gym shorts that I'm wearing because I'm on my way to the supermarket. Since we are talking about getting set, that's what I'm gonna do right now. And once I get set, I'm gonna give you tip number 2. I've gotten ready now. I put on them black jean shorts, so I'm all ready to take that picture. But anyways, I'm gonna keep the video going. Tip number 2 is to drop the selfies. Look, a lot of people take selfies, and you know, it's not really unique. If you want to post high quality photos of yourself somewhere, then make sure to get someone to take that photo for you, because it shows a number of things. Number 1, that you know, you're adventurous, you go places and you take pictures of yourself while you're out there adventuring. And also, it's a very powerful way to communicate that, you know, you're a high value person. So make sure to drop the selfies if you're looking to take a high quality picture of yourself. I also, you know, I gotta clarify that I am in no means a professional photographer. I'm just someone who has recently taken upon myself to take better photos of myself, and these are the things that I've simply learned along the way. Alright, so tip number 3 is your background. And, you know, finding a good location to take your photo is crucial. A, you know, it shows that you're that adventurous type. And number 2, it gives the other person something else to look at than yourself. Now, I found this cool little spot to take a photo. So we gonna take some photos and I'm gonna see how they look. We at the Vatican City, and you know what they say, when in Rome. So I'm gonna take a couple of shots right here at the Vatican City. Let's do it. Got the photo. What a view, I gotta say. This is one glorious motherfucking view when in Rome, right? But anyways, you see how much the background matters in your photo taking? The background can either make or break a good photo. So make sure to find the best background you can. We're about to check out more of the Vatican City, but you know, I thought I'd give tip number 4, and that is your lighting. You know, your lighting is very important. It can also make or break a good photo. So when I took this photo, I made sure that, you know, I was in the shade and not that I was out here, because otherwise, you see, the background becomes very dark and the light takes over, you know. But when I stand inside of the shade, the background is more visible. This is not a good background because the sun is in my face and it's making my face look white, and I'm already white as fuck. Alright, so even though this lighting here is not optimal, a trick you can use, like on your iPhone, when you go into the camera app. Alright, so a trick I use on the camera app when I go into it is I simply tap on the sky and it automatically adjusts and the lighting becomes more optimal, and you end up with a much better looking photo. Alright guys, so I stumbled upon this photographer. He's got this big ass camera. What's your name, man?
Francesco Guarnieri.
Francesco, what's your Instagram?
Francesco Guarnieri.
Okay.
It's the same.
I'll put it down here. What's your number 1 tip for taking an awesome photo?
Aspetta, adesso mi sono perso, ripeti. We have a problem. I don't speak English very well. So...
Okay, say it in Italian.
Ok.
In Italian.
In Italia.
Number 1 tip for taking a good photo.
Allora,
consiglio numero 1.
Consiglio number 1. Luce, ragazzi, mi raccomando, luce è fondamentale. Light.
Very important, right? Absolutely.
Second.
Dimmi la parola.
Inquadratura. Inquadratura. 3. Regola dei terzi.
Absolutely.
Importantissima. E 4 model.
Model.
Subject.
Alright, man. I'll put your Instagram below. You have a nice day.
He's my makeup artist.
Okay.
Okay.
You have a nice day. See you.
See you.
Shout out to Francesco. That guy was an awesome photographer. I'll put his Instagram below so you guys can check out his work. We about to go explore some more of Rome, and I'm gonna give you the last tip once we get more into the city. Rome is such a beautiful city. This is my second day here, but I'm already enjoying it. I'm already loving it. I found this little stoop to sit down, you know, with this beautiful view, and I thought I'd wrap up the video right here. If you guys are looking for cool poses, cool outfits, you can follow me on Instagram. I'll post up those pictures I took today. It's steps for improvement. I post new pictures every single week. Last tip, a very important tip in taking good photos is editing. You gotta edit your photos after you take them. And I'm not talking about Photoshop. You know, you don't want to be Photoshopping people into your photos, Photoshopping weird shit. I'm talking about editing, you know, brightness, saturation, contrast, sharpening the picture a little bit. Take a look at this photo and compare it to an edited version of this photo. Which one do you think looks better? Really play around with different editing apps. I recommend Snapseed, Lightroom, or even Instagram. Instagram has some very good editing tools that you can use. So make sure to edit your photos if you're trying to look fresh. Now we about to head into the city. We about to get some authentic Italian pasta and some wine, because you know, when in Rome, when in Italy. I'm gonna wrap up the video here, but those were 5 tips for taking better photos. Photos that you can post on Instagram, photos you can post on social media. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, because I upload new videos every single Monday and Friday. And make sure to follow me on Instagram as well, because I'm dropping new content there every single week. And with that all out of the way, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.